Hello people of the internet, we are the Diamond Dudes, and today we will be unboxing this
Recustom
Ultra Ego and Super Saiyan 3 head sculpts.
for Vegeta.
Yep, for Vegetas. Yeah, we got like 3 out of our Vegetas that we have. I feel so happy having them as the person.
Yeah, there's quite a few different face sculpts for each.
I feel like a
form.
baby getting candy.
Yeah, that looks pretty darn cool. I prefer the classic Super Saiyan 3 of Dragon Ball Z, but this does look pretty dang cool.
Yeah. Now let's look at the main reason.
Yeah, the main reason we got it was for Ultra Ego.
But yeah, Super Saiyan 3 is also cool.
Yeah, it's pretty dang cool as well.
Better than spending like Big Bad Toy Store like almost $200 for like $104 for a tiny version of Super Saiyan 3.
Yeah, for the mini version of Vegeta Super Saiyan 3, that's insane.
All right, should we look at the face sculpts or try them on?
Yeah, let's check out some face sculpts. I mean, this one is pretty cool, but let's put something that's a little more. Let's get it in focus. Yeah, put something on that's a little more.
Calm.
Well.
Version.
Yeah. Oops. I think one of these two on the bottom look pretty cool. If I can get the lighting correct and focused.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this one would probably be our kind of more neutral.
Or this one that I put on.
Oh, okay, I didn't see that.
This is kind of
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, he's not happy per se, but it's more of a neutral face. Well, I mean, that one's cool for like in the middle of a battle or exchanging, ki blasts or punches.
And yeah.
They're certainly really good and really detailed faces, that's for sure.
Let me just stick them in a little more. And yeah, you can notice the tiny bit of gapping.
Let's see, maybe we're gonna work on that a little bit better. Yeah, there's a little bit of gapping. Let's see if we can get some hot water and remedy that.
And yeah, here's the face when he gets absolutely punched by Frieza.
Only Frieza.
Monkeys! No, he does.
I know, I'm saying like it's only from Frieza's punches, though that would possibly make that expression.
Yeah, so that means I hope that means that they actually make I don't know, a Frieza
Black Frieza?
Yeah. But I don't think so, sadly.
Okay, so these are
Ultra Ego
faces.
I'm missing 2.
Okay.
Well, actually 3.
Yeah, so there's 6 for each. Or no. Wait.
Yeah, well, 7 counting the one that's...
Oh, yeah, well. Yeah, I guess 6 total. Yeah, 6 total faces for each form.
No, it's actually like 5 faces.
Yeah, but there's one that comes on the head as well. So that's 6 total. So you get 6 total faces for Ultra Ego, and you get 6 for Super Saiyan 3. All right, let's see if that water's hot enough. It's been sitting here for a few minutes. Okay, hold the camera for a moment, please.
Ooh, it is pretty hot, the water.
Not really.
Yeah, not really.
It cooled down after a few minutes.
It's actually a water...
Yeah,
that'd be pretty good for a hot
definitely.
bath.
Yeah, I would recommend, heat these up because now there's no gapping. So once you heat this up in some hot water for about 20 seconds, depending how hot the water is, there's no gapping. It looks good. Okay, you may resume.
Alright, now let's take a look at some Super Saiyan 3. And yeah, Super Saiyan 3 is one of my dad's favorite transformations, if not his favorite.
Yeah, I love Super Saiyan 3.
My favorite...
It's pretty radical.
My favorite is probably 2 or 4. Or Ultra Instinct, but yeah. Actually, all of them are my favorite. I just love them.
Well, I like all of the transformations, but I think Super Saiyan 3, for me, that was kind of a radical thing when that debuted because it seemed like Gohan's Super Saiyan 2 from Cell Saga was, the limit. So when Goku was able to go even further beyond...
So yeah.
It took him like 5 minutes to power up to that.
6.
Yeah, 6 for each one. But essentially, the reason why I like Super Saiyan 3 is because it's a more radical and energy-consuming transformation.
I think that's why Vegeta doesn't use it in Super.
Yeah. Who knows?
These two are almost the same. One's just looking a little bit to the side.
Yeah, I always think the ones that look to the side are kind of lame, personally. They're very specific.
Well, depending on the character you're using.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they're not bad, but it seems that it's a very specific type of expression. I don't want something I can put on the shelf or...
Yeah, this one doesn't have gapping.
Cool. Yeah, well, the other one didn't really have gapping once we heated it up. It just needed to be heated up. And
all right.
Good.
Now, we're going to remove his head off, the Daima one.
Okay, are you sure that's the Daima body?
Yeah, that's the Daima body.
Okay, it is the Daima body. Okay.
He's got decapitated.
Someone remove my head. I can't stand for such indignity.
And now, you have a better head. A transformation, Vegeta. It's kind of spiky. Just
yeah, push it down onto the foam so you don't dig into yourself.
If you have really sensible fingers, sensitive, yeah, that's how you say it in Spanish. Sorry, guys.
Oh, okay.
Sensible.
Why don't we?
It's kind of yeah. With this, it kind of bends a little.
Well, let's hope that we don't have to get a separate neck peg. I always hate that when you get a head and then it doesn't fit because the peg isn't correct. We might have to heat that sucker up a little bit. Why don't you hold that for a moment? Let me give it a try. But yeah, these are rather dense as opposed to some other softer, spiky head sculpts. So get a piece of foam like this, like a foam sponge.
Yeah, we use these to put our accessories, and it's pretty useful.
Yeah, it keeps them from flying off the table. Yeah, this is a much smaller hole. This is the Daima body.
No.
Yes, this is
Oh,
the
wait,
Daima
this
body.
is the Super Saiyan body.
Yeah, that's the Super Saiyan awakened. Or royal blood, awakened blood.
I don't
know.
Smearing guts and blood everywhere.
Yeah, this is definitely made for the Daima body. That's for sure. So you probably couldn't put this on another Vegeta unless you really heat up that
sucker.
That head sculpt, and then it'd probably make the hole a little bit big. So
well, it's not a sucker, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, that thing, I guess. Yeah, he's definitely a little more top heavy, so you're gonna need a base to hold him up. But he looks pretty cool. I kind of think, personally, for Super Saiyan 3, they should be a bit more muscular. You know, but I mean, definitely looks cool. Looks like
it kind of reminds me of a Dragon Stars a little, of the Dragon Stars one.
Huh? I don't know about that.
But it looks a little better quality.
Well, a little better. I think it looks a lot better. I mean, most Dragon Stars I kind of like, actually, especially the villains. But essentially with this one, I would probably want to put it on a more muscular body, but that would probably stretch out the head, the neck peg hole, I guess.
Now let's try it on him.
I don't think it's going to work unless we... Because, yeah,
Let's try it out. I'll try it.
All right. Well, let me do it because I don't want it to break.
Yeah, all right.
But I think we're going to have to heat this up.
Dang, 8 minutes already?
We're going to have to heat this up quite a bit to make that work on this body because that neck...
I don't use this transformation because it wastes its energy. Mm-hmm. No, like if Super Saiyan
we're going to have to heat this up. Otherwise, it's going to break the neck peg.
Well, all right. Now let's try... Ultra Ego.
Yeah, this is definitely made specifically for the Daima Vegeta body. That's for sure. But I'm thinking with other heads that, you know, don't exactly fit perfectly, if you heat them up enough with enough hot water, you know, for 30 seconds, like put like half a coffee cup of water in the microwave for a minute, then set your object in the cup for maybe 20, 30 seconds, then it'll be soft enough to where you can make it work. Okay, so anyway, it does look really good on the Daima body, even though I prefer kind of a more muscular form for Vegeta, especially.
Plus the hair to go a little downer.
Well, that's just my preference. I like the classic Super Saiyan 3 where the hair is kind of flipped backward.
If it doesn't connect, I hope it connects.
I'm sure it will.
Yes, it did!
Like Gotenk Super Saiyan.
No, it didn't.
Here, switch me, okay?
I can do this.
Wait, I don't want to break that neck peg.
Well, if it doesn't work, we're gonna somehow have to go to the depths of the internet to look for that LS Studios. No, Blackpool Toys actually.
Off. Yeah, typically if you're having trouble lining up the head and the neck peg, take off the faceplate and then the bangs. Obviously, Vegeta doesn't have bangs, but
knowing with experience as a semi-experienced collectors.
Yeah, we're relatively new to the game, but I think we do have a little bit of experience.
Oh, sorry guys. Wait a second. Hey, Dad, Amazon's here, I think.
Oh, pooey.
Yeah, guys, Amazon's here.
Okay, give us a moment.
Give us a moment.
We're gonna have to heat up that Ultra Ego head to get the neck fit.
And yeah, I know it's probably one of my dad's stuff because, well, I don't order from. Well, actually, my dad, well, I know it's probably not an SH because, well, my dad doesn't, well, we don't order SH off Amazon, but yeah, it's probably one of my dad's stuff. All right, so yeah.
This thing I got for my girlfriend for her birthday. All right, so let's go ahead and heat up the water because it seems like it's a bit tight and I don't want to break any neck pegs. So give it about a minute, folks. Hang with us.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Sure, it's just the way it is.
I thought you didn't like Peter Griffin.
Oh, I wasn't trying to do a Peter Griffin voice. I was just doing a silly voice. Yeah, I hate Family Guy. I think it's the most uncreative, unoriginal, dependent on a... Oh, I hate the flashbacks. Remember that time that the time happened? Well, yes, Peter, I do remember that time. Yeah, that was a great time. Yeah. I could do that. Pay me $6 million a year. I'll make those stupid shows. Well, even then, I think it wouldn't be enough for my dignity and self-respect. Don't shove it in, okay?
I think my dad told me about an episode of, I don't know, the show.
Yeah, Family Guy's horrible.
What was it?
Well, South Park. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, South Park did a parody of where they're making fun of Family Guy, and essentially Cartman, the chubby kid in South Park, in case you guys don't watch it, he kept having all his friends and kids go, oh, you would love Family Guy, you'd love Family Guy, you like that sense of humor, and then he keeps going on about how much he hates Family Guy, and so finally he wants to go stop Family Guy from being made, and so Bart Simpson and teams up with Cartman to stop Family Guy from being made, and when they get to where the show's made, essentially the way they write the show is they have a bunch of balls with random words written on them in an aquarium, and the dolphins will bring up the balls, and whatever the balls the dolphins bring up are what they write the episode about. It's pretty funny. Yeah, I can't stand Family Guy. Well, the sad thing is the creator of that show, Seth MacFarlane, is actually a really good writer, and he was really funny in the Charlie Sheen roast and things like that. Just the writing style of Family Guy, like it appeals to the lowest common denominator. There's like no intelligence put into Family Guy whatsoever. It's just, hey, shut up and watch our show. Yeah, you're stupid. You'll like it. I remember
hearing like on shorts, one of the episodes was literally about the little baby and the dog having a child or something.
That's gross.
Like anthropomorphic baby children.
Yeah, that's just gross.
Like, first of all, I can't. Yeah, it's horrible. First of all, like the baby it's a baby.
Yeah.
Second of all, it's a dog. Like they're both male. Like what the heck?
Well, that and a baby. Like I don't even want to talk about it. It's just too disgusting.
A baby having a baby?
Yeah. I don't want to talk about it. It's just too disgusting. All right, let's try that Ultra Ego head.
Sorry, guys.
We're on a side tangent about how much we dislike Family Guy, but yeah, it's a really stupid show for people that have no brain. It's like, look, something happened. We saw something happen. It's funny because it happened. And like I said, the sad thing is that writer and creator of that show, he's actually really intelligent and funny.
Plus, I think he acted for Disney.
He was a big part of the writing of Johnny Bravo, Dexter's Laboratory. Like before he did Family Guy, he was actually a part of really good shows. But yeah, he just kind of went for the lowest common denominator, you know. And I'm sure he's rolling around in piles of money at home, but essentially he makes a crappy show. Yeah, so that looks really darn good, I think.
Better than what the... Do you think it's better than what the...
I think it looks better than the official faces, to be honest. The level of detail and painting and such, and sculpting.
Does it look better on this figure, the superhero Vegeta, or does it look better on the
what, baby? What?
You want on the one they always use, the
Majin? What?
Yeah, the Majin.
Well, we don't have the Majin Vegeta. So
But I think this looks better than what the videos say the Majin looks. Don't come and harass us because of that. It's
I think we put it on the superhero body. I think that's basically the look he has when he has this transformation. But yeah, I think the angle stinks, buddy. Yeah, that looks really darn cool, I think.
He looks. Here he is next.
Okay, hold him.
Next to Goku.
Yeah, so you get your Ultra Instinct Goku and Ultra Ego Vegeta. So at least that way Goku doesn't leave Vegeta in the dust any longer.
Another one bites the dust. Dust.
Well, the whole thing is during, well, I don't want to spoil
bite
it,
the
but
dust.
yeah, during the Boo Saga, Vegeta kind of gets left behind.
Yeah. Plus because of him going Super Saiyan 3.
Well, that and Vegeta had to go Majin just to catch up to Goku's Super Saiyan 2. So yeah, this looks really darn cool, I think.
Plus in the manga, I think Vegeta was stronger because I think of the manga, he just knocked him out in one punch. Vegeta knocked Goku down in one punch in the manga.
Well, I don't know about that, but...
Yeah, Vegeta's a little... Guess the roles are inverted. Vegeta's a little tall. No, actually...
He's not taller, and the hair spikes up more, but...
Vegeta, Goku's taller.
Well, yeah, he's supposed to be. He's supposed to be about a good 6 inches taller, at least. Okay, so I would give these head sculpts... I'd give this probably a 9 out of 10 for Super Saiyan 3. And I'm going to give Ultra Ego probably a 10 out of 10. It looks really darn good. The lighting really stinks at that angle, buddy.
Stinky Binky.
Well, you can't really clearly see
Stinky
it.
Pinky. My pinky is stinky.
Oh. Let's not get gross, okay?
Pinky. Finger.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to give Ultra Ego a 9 out of 10, I think.
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, let's give it a 10 out of 10, I think. And let's give Super Saiyan 3 a 9 out of 10. The face sculpt is really darn good. So I'd say a 9 out of 10.
An 8.9 out of 10. It just needs 1 millimeter point to be able to be better.
So I'm saying a 9 out of 10 out of 10. My son is saying...
A 10 out of 10 and an 8.9 out of 10.
8.9, so yeah, pretty close in our scales. Okay, thanks for joining us, folks.
Oh, and yeah.
Definitely pick these up before greedy Bandai shuts them down for good. Get this Recustom set.
Oh, yeah, before we go, I want to size compare him to... Well, we already did to Goku. Well, we'll do it again.
Yeah, okay. Maybe we can stick old Orange Boy and Beast Boy. Not the DC Comics character Beast Boy.
Oh, and yeah.
Well, this is a custom head sculpt of Beast Gohan because I didn't want to pay $200.
Yeah.
You know? So, yeah.
We already paid a couple bucks for this.
Well, I think we got a good deal on Orange Piccolo, actually.
How much did you get him for?
I think maybe about 80 or so. Like, our guy gave us a really darn good deal.
So, yeah, how much? So, yeah. Now let's size compare.
Oh, you want to put the Super Saiyan 3? We should have gotten Super Saiyan 3 Goku out if we're going to do that.
Oh, I can just do that real quick.
See if we can find Super Saiyan 3 Bardock custom also.
Oh, yeah, that's a... Well, okay.
Yeah, don't just roll the guys around in there, okay? Take them out one by one, okay?
His size comparison will be with,
Yeah, get him. I don't think Bardock should be too hard to find, okay?
Yeah.
Here, let's set him
hard,
up.
But his faceplate fell out. So his faceplate fell out again.
Alright, we'll look for that another time. You always hate when the faceplates fall out in our giant box of figures.
Yeah.
It's not very much fun to try to find him. Well, here, let's move him to the side. Let's get his hair, get a better angle so his face isn't leaning down.
They look really good. I've heard that Kong Super Saiyan 3 is supposed to be good.
Yeah. Okay, that's our...
Oh, sorry guys.
Shh.
Because he's also from Daima.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
And Gogoma, which we also did a review on. Check that out.
King Goma, yeah.
Check that one out.
Yeah.
Oh, how can I forget Piccolo?
Oh, yeah. And here's our Daima Adult Piccolo, which is a really darn good figure. I like the soft goods cape and the whole 9 yards, so...
So yeah, how much do you give Super Saiyan 3?
I give it a 9 out of 10, and I'll give Ultra Ego a 10 out of 10. Really good detail on the face sculpts.
You
and
know
the
what?
painting.
Yeah, I'll agree with you. He's a 9 out of 10, and Ultra Ego's a 10 out of 10.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, folks. Hopefully, you'll pick these up before Bandai shuts down all these third-party studios.
Money. I'm Bandai. I want money.
All right. See you, folks.
Dudes.